Some questions that I receive about this business is, Mary, is this MLM or is this some sort of network marketing? But the thing is, when they ask me about it, I realize na tinatanong nila is this three questions. One, Mary, do I have to sell something? Two, kailangan ko bang mangulit para magkaroon ako or maka-join ako ng business? Three, kailangan ko bang i-recruit ang pamilya ko or ang family ko para maka-join? Yes, it's a valid question actually. Dahil yun yung alam natin at yun kasi yung nakikita natin. And that is actually based on my experience, right? So, one good thing about this business is meron tayong sistema. And we have trainings and learnings na matututunan para magawa yon. This business has a lot of things to offer. So if you are a mom, a hardworking parents, or a cancer warrior like me who wanted to give a better future to their family, and those questions are just a hindrance for you to start or just even to look up in this business, don't hesitate to message me and I would love to share you the step-by-step process on how I started. So don't let those questions be the hindrance for you not to start a new opportunity or even try a new options that soon your family and yourself will be thankful. So this is Mary and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye!